Critica is advancing its Jupiter asset, Australia's largest clay-hosted rare earth project. Today, the company announced a flowsheet showing 63% gallium leach recovery. I'm with Jacob Deysel. He's the CEO. Jacob, welcome to mining.com.au.
Hi, Michael. Always nice to be on your show.
So, Jacob, why was this milestone significant?
Yeah, absolutely. It's a great milestone in the sense that we've shown that gallium can be recovered. Now, just to talk about gallium, it gets used in the manufacturing of semiconductors, but probably more importantly, it gets used in the manufacturing of next generation processes, and it allows for more energy efficiency and their more compact processing capacity. Now, we've recovered this within the same circuit that we have used to recover our rare earths, and that's the significant piece for us. We recovered about 63% of the gallium has been extracted into the solution, and this has been achieved through our same flow sheet, that beneficiation first and hydrometallurgical flow sheet that we've reported a few weeks ago, that has produced our first mixed rare earth product.
So, Jacob, what role does the Jupiter project play in this achievement?
Yeah, look, I think Jupiter is really at the heart of the story. So Jupiter is Australia's largest clay-hosted rare earth resource. We've got 1.8 billion tons at a grade of 1,700 parts per million. But we've now shown as well that we've got 39 parts per million of gallium oxide. Now, that translates roughly into 70,000 tons of gallium oxide contained. So Jupiter is a magnet rare earth dominated resource, very low in uranium and thorium, tier one location, but also now with valuable byproduct stream potential.
Jacob, how does Critica compare against other people in the rare earth sector?
Yeah, look, I think the aspect for me and the real differentiator is that we've always knew that gallium exists within the resource. We've got a few other critical elements as well, which we're exploring, scandium and germanium. But I think the real differentiator for me is the fact that we've proven that we can actually extract and liberate the gallium into solution. Now, if you recall, that's the same solution that we've used to produce our mixed rare earth product a few weeks ago. And that is quite a substantial product itself. Our mixed rare earth product was 84% TREO, and we had 78% recovery. So it's this integrated advantage that we have both rare earths, but also now this gallium potential. And to me, it's that systematic de-risking process we followed. We started with a 50 kilogram pilot, at least lab scale, moved that on to a 400 kilogram in terms of our bulk sample, and now we're looking at that 3,000 kilogram pilot scale. So we're just moving through systematically de-risking the flow sheet.
So, Jacob, what's next on the technical side?
Yeah, look, I think for me, the hard work has been done. We've proven the concept. So it is about now defining the exact route or the best route of extracting that gallium out of solution. So there's a number of parallel work streams we've reported on before in terms of what that hydrometallurgical optimization that's happening at Cavacue, at ANSTO and Munitech AMML, and we'll continue and enlarge that scope to include the byproducts, including gallium at this moment.
Jacob, lastly, could you talk about the rare earth sector more broadly?
Yeah, look, I think for me, this really goes beyond metallurgy. It's really strategic. We saw that China controls about 98% of the gallium market, and they dominate the rare earth market. And we've seen this restrictions on export. Now, we appreciate that there's reports that there's a 12-month delay on the new export controls, but the risk remains for me, and it's always for me the key for the West. It's not about having access. It's about having real custody of supply. And I think Critica really fits into this role specifically in the sense that we are technically credible. We've got a commercial focus and ready product here and project. And we're really moving forward now, delivering both on the rare earths, but also on the gallium piece, that coming from the same flow sheet. So to me, it's really positioned for the future as a key partner in the supply for the West as we move this forward and de-risk our project and becoming Australia's next rare earth developer.
Thanks for speaking with mining.com.au.
Thanks, Michael. It's a pleasure. Thank you.